Alright, surely we're safe up here, right? Go ahead, kill the lights. Alright, we're safe. I do see another vehicle roving around out there. I don't see any more lights. Any more LR lasers.
Yeah.
Yeah, what could that possibly mean?
It means they turned them off. They're hiding.
Yeah.
Well, them ramps are still up. One of them's smoking though.
Oh, oh, let's go, let's
Get
go,
it!
let's go, let's go. Wait, open the inventory. Wait, no, you ran me over.
Get in!
I was trying. You
Get
ran me
in!
over. I'm unconscious.
Oh my god.
Help.
It's a simple
Okay,
pull
okay,
interface.
I'm conscious again. Come back.
Where are you? Get in!
Okay.
Why you ask me like that?
I didn't. I just said okay.
Go, 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 go.
What is that? Oh my god.
No.
Yep. You should have been wearing your seatbelt. You flew out the front windshield.